What does Krishna say about his name? This point should strike you, very important. Krishna himself is telling about his name, glories of his name to Arjuna. In these 5 verses quoted from Adi Purana. This is a very big step for us to become from Krishna's servant to Nama servant. We are all devotees of Krishna. We hardly, after coming into, like many people say, okay, Prabhu, I didn't even hear this Nama Prabhu word before. Now I am hearing this Nama Prabhu word before. Before, as far as Krishna consciousness means serving Krishna. Okay, his name you chant, you will get Krishna Bhakti. All this we are going little advanced level. Soulful japa is advanced level of japa when you are serious about japa. Not that if you don't do soulful japa, if you don't hear these sessions, you have no hope. It's not a fact. This soulful japa series is a second step of ecstasy. You have felt that I want to perfect my association with the Nama Prabhu during japa. You want to excel in that relationship. Even if you are simply chanting, you don't need to know what is Nama Prada, you don't need to know what is Nama Abhasa, you don't have to know what is Shuddha Nama, nothing. Simply tip of your tongue chants Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Slowly go on chanting, everything will manifest. But I am impatient. I want fast. When everything is available in the scriptures, when everything is revealed by Prabhupada, when he says this is the best way to do it, why I should not take it and run fast? Why I should not gallop in my relationship with Nama Prabhu? And that is what I am sharing with all of you. Never mistake that if you don't know about soulful japa, you don't benefit. No, it takes a little longer time. Here it is a very scrutinized study of Srila Prabhupada's instruction on japa for accelerated progress. What progress you achieve in 10 years, you can achieve in 10 months if you do that japa, this kind of japa. So therefore you don't, okay, it's all unusual, why I should become a serious student of Srila Prabhupada. You want to become a serious student, then you should do. Like Prabhupada says, you have to practice. Whether it is a Nama Japa, concurrent chanting, come hearing, or even whether it is a faith. Yesterday I was reading a quote of Srila Prabhupada on faith. You are saying you have to create faith by reading and hearing from bona fide sources. You have to create faith. That is exactly what we said, contemplation. So therefore, we are going through this exercise. Even if you are stone-hearted, every day you simply say, my dear Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu, your heart will melt. You may feel, I don't feel like that, Prabhu. But simply you chant every day, my dear Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu, you will become personal. This is called Vaidhi Bhakti. Follow, then automatically it will awaken. My dear Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu, don't feel shy, please. Call Nama Prabhu, my dear Nama Prabhu. Is he not dear? Like Prabhupada says, he is wanting to associate with us and comes down on our tongue. And who is he? Supreme Personality of Godhead. If he does that, he is not very dear to you. Don't you realize that you are dear to him? This fact should make us understand that we are dear to him. Nameva Paramaradhyo. My Nama is supreme object of worship. Krishna is telling in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna said, Man mana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mamai veshi satyam te pratyajnane priyosi me. Now that same Krishna is telling that there is something superior to me to worship. Nameve Paramaradhyo. Already Krishna is the Paramaradhyo, and he is saying the Paramaradhya is my Nama. You see, somebody is introducing you to somebody to have a relationship, and that Krishna himself is doing. So therefore, these qualities of Nama, you should see it from the perspective of Krishna. Krishna himself is saying, because we are all devotees of Krishna, and Krishna is telling, worship my name. Nameva Parama Guruhu. My Nama is the supreme Guru.